She has been very excited for the longest time to be part of the space program, and being able to train for this particular mission has been very, very exciting for her.
This week, 4 astronauts will launch into space with the destination of the International Space Station. The pilot of this mission is a woman very familiar with San Diego. ABC 10 News reporter Leah Pizzetti shows us how the beginning of her career started here in Southern California, showing what it means to be positively San Diego.
Megan McArthur spent years here in San Diego studying the ocean. Then she took her explorations out of Earth's atmosphere, becoming a NASA astronaut.
Every once in a while, one of your students does something that is super out of the ordinary.
And for retired UC San Diego faculty member Bill Hodgkiss, one of his students is doing something out of this world. NASA astronaut Megan McArthur will be piloting the SpaceX Crew 2 mission to the International Space Station, where she'll spend the next 6 months. Bill met her in the mid-90s when she began her PhD in oceanography at UCSD, which is where she was when she started her space career in 2000.
She was truly just within months of actually finishing her PhD when she got selected for the astronaut program.
She ended up putting the PhD on hold to begin her astronaut training, then later returned to finish the degree, something Bill says is extremely difficult.
I would not have expected that anyone would be able to do that. That is so hard to do, essentially managing 2 careers at the same time.
He says while she was in San Diego, she had a passion for the ocean, volunteering as a diver at Birch Aquarium, a place she's since returned to give presentations. This will be her second time in space. The first was in 2009 when she went on the final mission to service the Hubble telescope. In a previous interview, she said the preparation for this long trip is different than that 13-day trip.
When you're going to go live for 6 months and conduct different science experiments every day or do maintenance on the space station, it's a very different training approach.
Bill says he traveled to Florida to see her first launch and will be cheering her on from San Diego for this second mission.
You rarely ever expect or imagine that a student of yours is going to be able to do something as unique as going into space. And so it's been very exciting.
Leah Pizzetti, ABC 10 News.
Understandably so proud. The target launch is this Thursday at 3:11 a.m. our time from the Kennedy Space Center in Florida. Megan and her family now live in Houston. Her husband is also an astronaut.
Quite a family.